Small update of today's progress. Exhaust flange made, exhaust pipe welded. Just going to run a straight dump tube for now. Here's our homemade header pipe. Flange pipe runs down, goes to the head. We wrapped it in header wrap, this stuff, and then covered it in heat-proof reflective tape. That way it doesn't melt anything it runs next to. Reinforced the turbo a little bit today with some brackets. And other than that, just finally finishing up the final assembly. Mock-up's done. It's all put together, should be started up and running here in the next half hour.